Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a live look at Grants Pass. A nice breeze out there helping to cool things down a little bit, but those temperatures awfully warm, climbing well up into the 80s this afternoon. We've cooled back a bit though now as we get into the early evening hours, 82 in Grants Pass, but tomorrow will be even warmer for Grants Pass and the rest of our region. Highs likely in our west side valleys up around 90 degrees for your Wednesday. Out there now, we are seeing on our satellite and radar imagery some fair weather cumulus clouds, especially up towards northern portions of Klamath County into Lake County, but we are going to stay dry into this evening with this warmer air in place. It will be a mild night tonight. And the heat, that is a big story in the days ahead. It's going to get hot, but the other big story is this weekend. This area of low pressure you see spinning to the southwest of California, that is going to be our big weather maker in the days ahead, especially as we get towards Saturday. Could be seeing quite a bit of rainfall for much of our region. And ahead of that, the potential for some thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday. But out there now, taking a look at current readings, 87 in Medford still. It's 78 in Klamath Falls, 85 in Montague, and 65 degrees in Brookings. We are seeing a little bit of a breeze in some of our inland valleys. Winds out of the northwest in Klamath Falls at 16 miles per hour, a little bit breezy in the Gold Beach area as well. Tonight, temperature is only dropping down into the mid to upper 50s west of the Cascades, and will drop down into the 40s to right around 50 degrees for most east side locations. Tomorrow, warmer temperatures getting up to 86 in Klamath Falls, up to 84 in Lakeview, upper 80s, lower 90s throughout our west side valleys, and even the coast, many spots getting into the 70s, up to 74 in Brookings. Your Rogue Valley planner, a lot of sunshine tomorrow. Have that sunscreen if you're going to spend some time outdoors tomorrow for an extended period of time. We'll see quite a bit of sunshine, and that UV index will be very high around 5 o'clock in the Medford area. Temperatures right around 91 degrees, and it stays pretty warm into the evening hours as well. Taking a look at those thunderstorm chances on Thursday, mainly going to be along the Cascades into parts of Northern California and the east side. Very hit and miss thunderstorms. Nothing too terribly widespread is expected. In the Rogue Valley, we could see a thunderstorm late Friday into Friday evening, but otherwise just hot. Things change on Saturday, though. Looks very rainy, also potential for storms. The rainfall, though, looks beneficial along and west of the Cascades, where we could be looking up at as much as a half an inch to an inch and a half for areas along and west of the Cascades with the system, especially in southwest Oregon towards Curry County. Some spots could push 2 inches of rainfall, so some very beneficial rain on the way for this weekend. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, dry weather until we get to Saturday. Temperatures pretty warm Wednesday and Thursday, cooling back a bit on Friday. Northern California temperatures heating up. That possibility of a thunderstorm, though, both Thursday and Friday. Rainy weather on your Saturday. Notice that cool down for the weekend as well when we get that system to move on in. Slight chance for a shower or storm in the basin on Thursday. Highs up around 90 on Friday before some wet weather this weekend. The Cascades and the Siskiyous, thunderstorm chances Thursday and Friday, fairly hit and miss, but that rain is on the way for Saturday with that storm system. And in the Rogue Valley, we do look to see a pretty soggy day on Saturday, likely going to see temperatures actually falling as we go throughout the day, so turning much cooler for the weekend into next week. We'll have more on that storm system that we're tracking for the weekend coming up in just a bit, Brian.